First, remove the bike and parts while saving the box. Then cut any zip ties or padding off the bike. Take the rear wheel and loop your chain around the cog or freewheel and secure the chain on the front chainring before mounting. Then, insert the rear axle between the dropouts and put tension on your wheel towards the rear of the bike while you tighten down the axle nuts. Now you can mount the bike on the edge of the box while you work on it. Now remove the stem faceplate using a 4mm hex wrench and mount your handlebars. But don't tighten it down too much yet, you'll have to adjust them later. While installing the seat post, make sure you add some grease where it will be inserted and on the seat post itself. Loosen the seat post clamp with a 5mm hex wrench, then insert the seat post. Adjust it to your preferred height, then tighten securely. Remove your pedals from the accessories box and use your finger to work in some grease into the pedal threads. Make sure you install the pedal marked L on the non-drivetrain side of the bike. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so it goes in counterclockwise. The pedal marked R goes on the drivetrain side and threads in clockwise. After you thread each pedal by hand, tighten them securely with a 15mm pedal wrench. Take your front wheel and unscrew each axle nut until you have enough space to mount it on the fork. Now remove your bike from the edge of the box and set the fork on the front axle and secure with a 15mm wrench. Loosen your stem pinch bolts with a 5mm hex wrench. You need to make sure your front wheel is lined up straight. After you've done this, you can retighten your stem bolts. Before riding your bike, loosen the stem faceplate and make sure your handlebars are in a comfortable riding position. After this is done, tighten the bolts in a cross pattern once again. Before riding, perform a safety check including proper operation of the brakes before going out and having fun on your new 6KU urban track.
Named after Ben Stites, a favorite Schwinn employee and legendary bike mechanic, the Stites urban-style bike with 700C wheels is perfect for sunny day cruising and speedy city riding. Ben loves to ride his bike to work every day, no matter the weather. In fact, he doesn't own a car, so we consider him an expert on how bike performance can and should complement a year-round cycling lifestyle. The Stites is crafted for riders age 18 and up and is available in 2 different frame sizes for the perfect fit. Like Ben's daily excursions, the Stites is right at home in urban settings. It's built with a tough and durable steel racing frame and fork for an extremely agile ride that really connects you to the road. Simplicity and versatility are hallmarks of this lightweight bike. Check out its convenient flip-flop hub that lets you choose between a freewheel or fixed cog. This allows you to seamlessly switch from classic single-speed coasting to no-frills fixie riding. Ben himself likes to change it up daily, riding fixed on the way into work, then coasting it all the way home. There is plenty of stopping power thanks to the dual alloy caliper brakes, and the high-profile alloy rims are strong and lightweight for a stable, smooth ride. Focusing mainly on pure riding, the Stites' simple design incorporates an urban-style seat and grips for supreme comfort and sleek style. And like all Schwinn bicycles, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Ben would love to see you out there riding, but don't bother waiting. A quick head nod will be thank you enough. Since 1895, Schwinn has built the bikes you trust to take on any urban riding adventure. Join the city riding scene on the Kedzie urban bike. Designed for great performance on paved metropolitan streets, the clean, streamlined Kedzie is perfect for city commuting. It's built with a steel racing frame and fork for a responsive, reliable ride. The single-speed drivetrain keeps things simple, while a convenient flip-flop hub allows you to switch the rear wheel between freewheel and fixed cog options. This means you can choose either simple, single-speed coasting or no-frills fixie riding. Front and rear alloy caliper brakes offer smooth stopping power, and the wheels are equipped with alloy rims to keep the ride light and fast. Plus, Schwinn's urban-style seat and grips enhance comfort and style while you're on the go. Designed with 700C wheels, the circuit fits riders age 14 and up, measuring between approximately 5 foot 6 inches and 6 foot 2 inches tall. And like all Schwinn bicycles, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.